Hi, my name's Bill, and I'm a patient with Dr. Gary Harcourt. So I didn't have a lot of issues. My main issue was an elbow, a tennis elbow injury. And for months I didn't do anything with it, and finally I had a friend recommend Gary, and came in and had him take a look at my arm. So my right elbow, I'm right-handed, so it was a pain of 6 to 8 on a scale of 1 to 10 every day. You use your right hand for everything, at least I do. So it was annoying. It was a 24-hour, 7-day, 365-day-a-week issue that I was having. So I was able to come in and have Gary take a look at it. I've never done any other treatment with my elbow. I've never been to a chiropractor before, so this was the first time. So I was a little reluctant. You hear the stories out there, but honestly, the folks at Harcourt Chiropractor make you feel very welcome from the time you walk in. Gary happens to be a friend of mine, so I felt very comfortable with Gary. He was able to prescribe some treatment, various different treatments we did on my elbow, and 4 or 5 months later, I don't have any pain. If I strain my elbow, it's my fault, and a day or two later, it's fine. So it's unbelievable what Gary was able to do. I was sure I was going to have surgery, but I can tell you that's not the case. Very pleased with where I'm at. And that's why I pushed it off so long. You know, Gary and I talked today. Why did you wait 6 months? Well, because I thought Gary was going to say, there's nothing I can do here, but that was just the opposite. So worked out very well. My arm is great. I don't have pain, like I say, very, very rarely.